Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have an account. Now start the repository. First, sign in and click the plus icon, then New Repository. Enter a short, clear name so collaborators recognize purpose. Once done, pick Visibility, Public versus Private, and decide whether to initialize. Make sure your profile and email are correct. They'll attach to commits. Don't stall on perfection. Create the repo now so you can iterate and refine settings after the initial setup. Now configure the repository contents and options. Initialize a README. MD so visitors immediately see the project intent and basic usage. This helps onboarding. Next, add a git-ignore matching your language or environment and pick a license such as MIT or Apache to define reuse terms. Also set the default branch name, main or trunk, and add a brief description plus topics for discoverability. These choices matter. They shape collaboration, automation, and legal clarity from day one. Click Create Repository to finalize, then copy the HTTPS or SSH URL so you can clone locally. You should git clone the URL, add files, or edit README, git add and git commit, then git push origin main to publish your initial commit. After that, enable branch protection rules or CI integration to secure workflows. If something fails, check authentication. Ensure SSH keys are added or your personal access token is valid. Recheck remote URL and retry, and you'll be unstuck quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.